The future of artificial intelligence can feel overwhelming. There are new models, new agents, new tools, new predictions, new breakthroughs. It is easy to believe that you need to understand everything before you can begin. You do not. The most practical way to prepare for the intelligence era is to start with one problem. Look at your own work. Look at your organization. Ask yourself, what takes too long? What information is difficult to find? What work is repeated unnecessarily? What knowledge is constantly being recreated? Where do people lose context? Where could better information lead to better decisions? These questions are more valuable than simply asking which AI tool is trending today. Once you identify a real problem, begin with a small experiment. Measure the current process. How long does it take? What does it cost? How accurate is it? How much human effort is required? Then introduce AI, but do not simply give the system a question and accept whatever answer it produces. Give it the context it needs. Provide relevant information. Check whether the information is current. Make sure important facts are supported. Ask what assumptions the system is making. Remember that a confident answer is not necessarily a correct answer. This is one of the most important skills of the intelligence era, learning to evaluate AI rather than simply trust it. Then consider memory. What should the system remember? What should it forget? What knowledge should be preserved? What information could be reused? The future of AI will increasingly involve systems that do not simply answer isolated questions, but accumulate useful context and knowledge over time. That creates enormous opportunity. It also creates responsibility. Organizations will need to think about privacy, security, governance, permissions, accountability, and human oversight. Individuals will need to develop new skills. Not just technical skills. Skills in questioning, verification, critical thinking, context management, judgment. The most valuable person in the intelligence era may not be the person who knows the most AI terminology. It may be the person who knows how to combine human expertise with machine capability. So do not wait for perfect certainty. Learn, experiment, measure, verify, improve, preserve what matters. Keep adapting. The intelligence era is not something that will arrive one day in the future. It is already changing how work is done, how knowledge is managed, and how decisions are made. The question is not whether you will be part of this transformation. The question is whether you will actively shape your role in it. Start with one problem, one experiment, one new skill, one better question, because the future of intelligence is not built all at once. It is built through the decisions we make today.